So here we are again.
Hello.
This time it's more of a science experiment than anything else.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can make butter with just one ingredient.
Heavy cream
Yep.
from the store. We were going to make ice cream. We had that crazy snow and it's still out there, but we got more coming, so we're going to do another video with that, making the ice cream in the snow. So we figured before this went bad, we would just make butter.
Yeah.
Everybody says it's easy. We're going to give it a shot, see if there's two garage guys can do it in a mixer.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Go ahead and pour it in. We got this here heavy cream. We're just going to pour it in. Well, Hunter's going to pour it in.
Hi.
All of it right in there.
Why is the box so slippery? So slick.
That's good.
All right. Perfect.
All right, so I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to start it out nice and slow. They say that you want to be on medium high, medium, whatever. We're going to get it to the point where it's whipped cream and go past that, and then it should separate and turn into butter.
Yeah.
So we're going to turn this up nice and easy. We're going to cover this.
Plastic.
We're just going to let that go until it turns into butter.
It's going.
We'll be back.
Yep.
Drowning deep in my sea of loathing, broken your servant I kneel. It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Looking at my own reflection, but suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no.
We're back. It's been about 10 minutes or so. We have buttermilk separated from the butter curd.
Yep.
So we're going to move on to the next step, and we're going to squeeze this out through a strainer. We'll be right back for that step. All right, so here we are back. We got the butter ball here. I'm going to take this out. All right, can you take that bowl?
Which one?
So take the whole thing right there that I had, and then put that small bowl right in front of me.
Alright, and we
So,
have a butter
can you
bowl.
take some of that water? Take this and put it back there. I can't really do much, so you're up. Take that and pour some in there. I'll block the ice.
That is cool how the ice stays where it is. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Is it good?
Keep going.
Okay.
All right, that's good.
Okay.
Don't worry about making a mess.
That's heavy.
All right, let me have that. Put that bowl with the sieve in it on the back burner, just so I can reach it. Perfect. Dump some more water in there. All right, good. Pull my sleeve up, please. All the way. Just grab it. You're not going to get dirty. Just grab it.
I am grabbing it.
There we go. This is a lot easier than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be a pain in the butt. I thought it was going to take... I didn't even know it was going to work, to be honest.
We did this in science class. It worked. We put it on some bread. Tastes good.
And you're supposed to do this until you get all the buttermilk out and the water's clear. All you're doing is rinsing it. Alright, more. Keep going. Good. Beautiful. Alright, it's coming out clear. Nothing coming out now. I think we got it.
And now we have a big bowl of butter.
And now we have a big ball of butter.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it smells like butter. Check that out.
It does smell
I
like
think
butter.
It is butter.
Yeah, that's butter.
So I'm going to take this, I'm going to dump this back into here. I'm going to put that in there. We have the salt.
Salt.
Open it up for me. And go ahead and shake some on there. Good. About a half a teaspoon.
Okay.
we're going to be back with the next step, which is the wrapping process.
Yep.
All right, so here we are. We got a nice dried off, rinsed off ball of butter.
Yep.
Ironically, with a butter knife, Hunter's going to cut it into 4 equal pieces. Believe it or not, it was about a half a gallon.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it was 2 quarts, half a gallon. Gave us about a pound of butter. So that's awesome, and it only
Yeah.
took a couple minutes. So go ahead and cut that into 4 equal pieces.
All right.
Just push it right down. Perfect.
So smooth.
Yep. Come this way. You want me to go this way?
Sure.
It would be a 2-part operation. Awesome. So then we have 4 equal pieces. Separate them. Group effort. Awesome. So now we're just going to take these and we're going to wrap them.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to take one of these. Almost out of room here. I'm going to stick it right here. Hey, you want to slide that whole thing up onto the stove. Perfect. Perfect.
Gonna make it nice and square.
Yep. It's big enough to fit in the butter dish. That'd be cool.
Yep.
Alright, so we got that. Take this butter knife, take it again. We're going to do that 4 more times.
Yep.
And we'll be back with the recap.
Mm-hmm.
See you in a few minutes.
All right, we're back. We just wrapped the other 3.
And here we are. We have 4 sticks of about a 1/4 pound of butter.
Yep.
And it wasn't that bad. We just whipped the crap out of it. So if you guys want to give this a try, get yourself some heavy whipping cream, grab the kids, and whip the crap out of some butter. Nice rainy day project. And that's
Or
pretty
snowy
much it.
day.
Or snowy day.
As it
Again,
is right now.
we got snow coming.
Yep.
So yeah, perfect. So awesome. We'll see you on the next one.
Like and subscribe, and hit that bell button to turn on notifications so you never miss a brand new video.
And we'll see you on the next one. And stick around. See what we do next. We'll never know what we're gonna do. We'll see you.